What if I told you I can create a full video just by talking to my computer? No timeline, no editing, no stress. Watch this. If you're a content creator, marketer, or YouTuber, imagine being able to create professional videos just by telling an AI what you want. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Framia, an AI-powered creative tool that lets you generate, edit, and structure videos using simple natural language instructions. In this step-by-step Framia tutorial, you'll see how to go from a blank screen to a finished video, how the AI agents work, and how you can use Framia to create YouTube videos, shorts, or ads faster than ever. So if you want to save time, skip complicated editors, and start creating smarter, let's jump straight into it. Before we start building anything, let me quickly explain what Framia actually is and why it's different from normal video editing tools. Framia is an AI-powered creative platform where you don't edit videos the traditional way. Instead of dragging clips on a timeline or cutting scenes manually, you simply tell the AI what you want to create, and it does the work for you. You can ask Framia to generate a video, rewrite a scene, create a storyboard, design visuals, or even turn an idea into a complete video, all using simple text instructions. What makes Framia powerful is that it uses different AI agents. Some agents are made for shorts, some for ads, some for cinematic videos, and some for general content creation. So instead of learning complex editing software, you're basically directing the AI like a creative assistant. Now, here's where Framia becomes really powerful, and also very different from most AI tools. You see, static AI images are basically useless if you can't edit them. Most tools generate something and that's it. If you want to change anything, you have to regenerate everything from scratch. Framia solves this with something called split layers. Instead of giving you one flat image, Framia breaks every generation into fully editable layers. That means you can move the subject, resize the logo, change the text or the copy, and tweak every part of the design independently, just like in a real design tool. So instead of fighting with rigid AI outputs, you're working with a flexible, editable file. Honestly, the best way to describe this is, Framia is basically Photoshop, but about 10 times faster. And it gets even crazier. Framia is powered by Gemini 3 Pro and Veo 3.1, and that's what allows its video agent to actually understand cinematic physics, not just images, but real scenes. Here's what I mean. You can literally drag a character, pick a background, and Framia will turn it into a movie-like scene automatically. No green screen, no After Effects, no complicated compositing or keyframing. The AI understands lighting, perspective, depth, and motion, and it blends everything together for you. So instead of building scenes the technical way, you're just directing the scene like a filmmaker, and Framia handles the rest. Your team of 1 just became a team of 20. That's because Framia doesn't give you just one AI. It gives you specialized agents for different jobs. There's a shorts agent that creates viral clips in seconds, a movie agent that handles emotional scenes and dialogue, and a design agent that creates brand-consistent assets automatically. So instead of doing everything yourself, you're delegating creative work to a full AI team. Resolution is king. Most AI video still looks blurry and low quality. Framia fixes this with a built-in upscaler, turning messy generations into clean 4K in one click. So that's Framia, an AI creative platform that turns one person into a full production team. From split layers, to cinematic scenes, to specialized agents, to clean 4K output, this is honestly one of the most complete AI creation tools I've seen. If you want to try it yourself, I've left a link in the description below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to Ray Creators Lab, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.